Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone keeps popping up cannot verify server identity in iOS 14. To know more about Apple devices, please subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Make sure that date and time are correct. To check that, first we have to go to settings, then we have to go to general, find and tap on date and time and set your date and time according to your current location, then enable set automatically. Solution number 2. Reset network settings. To reset network settings on iPhone, first we have to go to settings, then we have to go to general, scroll down, find and tap on reset and tap reset network settings, put your passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 3. Remove that mail account and re-add it. For that, first we have to go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on mail, then we have to tap on accounts. Under accounts, next click the account that you want to remove, then tap delete account. After tapping on delete account, it will be prompted to confirm this action. Tap delete from my iPhone. Once done, restart your iPhone, then re-add your email account. Solution number 4. Check for software update. For that, first we have to go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap on general, tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 5. Reset all settings. This process will reset your all customized setting and default settings, but no data or media will be deleted. To reset all settings on iPhone, first we have to go to settings, then we have to go to general, scroll down, find and tap on reset, tap reset all settings, put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.